Ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to present to you some social media platforms. One of these networks that I'm going to present to you might be the next big thing. And this means that if you register and develop your profile in the early stages, you might be uplifted later on as the platform grows and expands through time. So pick a few of those platforms that I'm going to present you and invest a bit of your time, and that could turn out to be in the future one of the most important moves you ever did. Some of the platforms that I'm about to present are not new, but they are lately rising tremendously. We assume that you already have a Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, SoundCloud, and YouTube account. So we are going to propose other than that social networks that you probably don't use right now, but you should. Let's get started. Skyo Music provides tools for artists and record labels in order to create commercial opportunities and do collaborations. On Skyo you can offer your stems, samples, and host remix contests. Many popular artists host their remix contest on Skyo. By using it, you will get in touch with new fans, new producers, and get the chance of remixing tracks of great artists, as also give the chance to smaller artists to remix your tracks. Promote your DJ mixes, remixes, or any kind of content like podcasts through a community of DJs, producers, labels, and fans. Create your profile on eDJ and increase your networking among hundreds of thousands of profiles in the music industry by simply uploading your content. Jamendo is a pioneer music website and currently one of the biggest emergent music platforms. It provides free music for personal entertainment and various licenses for projects or businesses. Its catalog currently exceeds 500,000 tracks shared by 40,000 artists from all over the world. Your music can be streamed, downloaded, or licensed. Their philosophy is that any artist in the world is entitled to share his music and should have a chance to be heard by a greater number of people around the world. I am watching closely how Jamendo is growing for the past 10 years, and I can tell you this. Jamendo could be the next big thing. As you can see, it provided thousands of listens for its release. Another great place to upload and share your mixes. No limits or restrictions on DJ mix uploads. Share your DJ mixes on a global scale as your profile page becomes your digital CV to showcase your music to users from all corners of the globe. Interact with other DJs and music fans. With over 500,000 registered members, housemixes.com has become a buzzing DJ social network, enabling you to network and build a large fan base. Weibo is a Chinese microblogging website. Launched by Sina Corporation on August 2009, it is one of the biggest social media platforms in China, with currently over 500 million monthly active users. Over the past 10 years, Weibo has transformed from a simple blogging site to a comprehensive social media platform, which has become an indispensable part of the Chinese people's everyday life. If you want to go viral on social media or gain a mass audience in China, get on Weibo, the country's most popular social website. Browse your feed, discover and follow new artists, upload sets, listen or download your favorite tracks for offline listening. Upload unlimited music and share it with friends and fans for free. Imgur is an image hosting and sharing site. Users can post comments, use tools to create new images, and then share those images with the Imgur users and the wider internet. Founded in 2009, designed as a kind of gift for Reddit users, and it immediately went viral, jumping from 1,000 hits per day to 1 million in the first 5 months alone. Imgur has since grown in popularity even further. By 2014, 2/3 of all popular Reddit posts were links to images on Imgur. In 2015, the social platform received another boost, raising $40 million in funding. On Imgur, you can upload an image that can get thousands or even millions of views. When was the last time you uploaded something on Facebook and it got thousands of views? I'll tell you when. Never. Reddit is a web content rating system and discussion platform. Registered members submit content to the site, such as links, text posts, images, which are then voted up or down by other members. As a content entrepreneur, you have to add each new piece of content you upload on Reddit, and some of the content will be unusually upvoted, bringing traffic to your own social media. This is a good way to check what your audience likes and move towards that direction. In August 2000, DeviantArt was founded, which is an online community featuring artwork, videography, photography, a platform for artists to exhibit, promote, and share their works. DeviantArt has over 44 million registered members and attracts over 45 million unique visitors per month. I am watching DeviantArt for almost 15 years, and it has been growing steadily ever since. Recently, it had a major design update, which I believe will skyrocket the platform even more the following years. Now, this tutorial is addressed to musicians, so if you are stupid enough, you might ask, I make music, why do I need a graphic platform? Well, you simply upload there your release covers and your promotional pictures, and you bring traffic over to your streaming platforms. Mixcloud is a popular British music streaming service that allows for the listening and distributing of radio shows, DJ mixes, and podcasts, which are crowdsourced by its registered users. I highly recommend using Mixcloud as being one of the leading audio streaming platforms of our time. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network with nearly 700 million registered users that focuses on professional networking and career development. Unlike most social networks, LinkedIn was designed to help people make business connections, share their working experiences, obtain professional support, and build relationships with potential clients and partners. LinkedIn is ideal for home-based business owners, freelancers, or independent musicians. Flickr is one of the oldest photo management and sharing applications in the world. It combines a popular photo sharing and hosting service with advanced features. It supports an active and engaged community where people share and explore each other's photos. You can share and host hundreds of your own promotional pictures without paying a dime. And if the people like your content, they will jump over to your Spotify or YouTube profile. Indie by Choice, a social community for independent musicians, artists, and fans. Indie by Choice will constantly promote you and your music across the web, but more specifically via Twitter. Reverb Nation helps artists grow lasting careers by introducing them to the music industry partners, exposing them to fans, and building innovative tools to promote their music. Reverb Nation was launched in 2006 and aims to provide a central site for musicians, producers, and venues to collaborate and communicate. Tumblr. I know there is a high chance that you already know and use Tumblr, but trust me, most producers aren't using it. And since Tumblr is growing rapidly, I am obligated to mention it. It is currently one of the top social media platforms of the world where you can upload and share any kind of content. It recently prohibited all implicit and mature content, but even so, instead of losing ground, the platform keeps rising. I have the feeling that it will soon perform some kind of major update and that will establish Tumblr as a leading platform, bringing it perhaps up on the top 5 platforms worldwide. VK is the Russian answer to Facebook. I would dare to say that its code is 10 times better than Facebook's. Because, as I keep saying, Facebook is encoded entirely by blondes, available in numerous languages but predominantly used by Russian speakers for the moment. There are high chances that VK goes viral and global. Pinterest is an American social network and mobile app that allows users to share images associated with any kind of project and to visually discover new interests by browsing images others have posted. You can think of Pinterest like a web-based pinboard or bulletin board, but with greater organizational functionality. Pinterest allows users to visually share by posting, known as pinning, images or videos. As you can see, it provides almost 700 visits per month to me. And number 1, TikTok. TikTok is the leading destination for short-form mobile videos. Its primary functionality was to give users the chance to create and share short comedy and talent videos. TikTok might be the world's fastest growing social media app. With millions of children flocking to the app, parental concerns include explicit language and potentially toxic environment that allows negative and inappropriate comments. And that is what we love on TikTok. And the reason I think it's about to explode. The year is 2020, and my advice to you is this. Upload your content on TikTok as it will bring you a ton of new listeners and fans.